So name of the poem is Where Do All the Teachers Go, and poet name is Peter Dixon. As you have already understood the poem, so now we are on paragraph 4. Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? So the child wanted to know that teacher also did mistake when they were children like us, or when they were eating chocolate flakes, were they punished by their teachers? So question 1, you people are going to write, name the poem and its poet. Name the poem and its poet. And its poet. Second question. Give antonyms.
Is not visible.
What are you saying, Beta?
Screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible to you. To
Yes,
others,
ma'am.
screen is visible. My screen is visible to others.
Yes, ma'am, your screen is clearly visible. Yes, ma'am, your screen is visible.
Okay. Because it is visible to me also, Beta. You join again if it is the problem. Join again. Give antonyms, right? Right, wrong. Can you tell me any other antonym? Right, wrong. Mistake. Mistake.
Good, bad.
Mistake. Correct. Good. Bad. Where it is written good. Never. Can you tell me the antonym of never? Never.
I'm always. Never.
Very good. Always. Not ever. Always. D. Punish.
Ma'am, we are going
Punish.
third paragraph.
Yes. Punish. Punish. I'm writing here. Did. Flakes. Okay. Punish. Reward. Then give other forms of verbs. Give other forms of verbs. Do. Can you tell me the other form of do?
Ma'am, do, did, done.
Very good. Do, did, done. Next. Spell. Spell. Spelled. Spelled. Make. Made. Made. Next. Make, made, made. Then punish. Can you tell me the other forms of punish? Children, can you tell? Punish.
Ma'am, what?
Punish. Other forms of verb of punish.
Ma'am,
Punish.
punishing.
Punished. Punish, punished, punished. Then pinch. Pinch.
Ma'am, please again.
Pinch. Pinch.
Pinch, pinch, pinch.
Absolutely correct. Pinch. Yes. Pinched, pinched, pinched. Give homophones. Homophones. Right. Can you tell me the other homophone of right?
Ma'am, WRITE.
Very good. In. In.
Ma'am, INN.
Very good. There. THEIR. Yes. On. On.
Ma'am, ONN. On.
OWN. Okay. Two.
Ma'am, but they do not sound perfectly because ON is on and OWN is on.
So
Ma'am, on and on are
own, own,
different in
own. I have my own house. Okay, there is a little bit difference. Homophones are having same sounds, you can say, but different spellings. Okay. We have not written this. We have written make, made, made. Okay. Find adjective. Find adjective.
Ma'am, chocolate.
Chocolate flakes. Yes. Chocolate flakes. Chocolate is adjective. Chocolate. You will write chocolate flakes and underline chocolate. Okay. You will underline chocolate.
Ma'am, mistakes.
Mistake is not an adjective, beta. Mistake is noun here. You will underline chocolate. Chocolate flakes. Okay. Underline chocolate is adjective here. Done, children? Shall we move on to the next?
Ma'am, your question fifth answer is.
I am writing the next paragraph.
Ma'am, ma'am, please wait. Question find adjective is not visible.
Wait, I'll show you. Now it's visible.
Ma'am, please wait. No, ma'am, chocolate flakes is not visible.
You can write chocolate flakes. You can write chocolate flakes. Chocolate, underline chocolate. Okay. Okay, beta. So first question will be the same. Did till jeans. We'll write here till jeans. First question is same. Name the poem and its poet. Then give antonyms. Give antonyms. Old, old, new, or young. New or young. Or young. New. Then we are having dirty.
Come.
Dirty, clean. Dirty, clean. Clean. Lost, lose, find. LOSC.
Ma'am, leave come.
No, leave come will not. Here. So only this much is there. Now we are going to write, give other forms of verbs. Give other forms of verbs. LOSE, lost, lost, lost. LOSE, LOST. Lost. Then leave,
Ma'am,
leave,
leave,
left.
left, leave.
Yes, leave, left, left. Not leave, leave. Leave, left.
Left. Ma'am, leave, left, left.
Left. Scribble. Scribble.
Ma'am, scribble, scribbled, scribbled.
Yes.
Scribbled, scribbled.
Scribble. Scribbled. 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 Pinch, pinch, pinch. Scribbled. Then we are having wear. Wear. Wear, war, worn. Wear. Wore. Worn. Wear, worn, worn. Wear, wore, worn. Okay. Okay. Give homophones. What homophones we can write from here?
Ma'am, ever, never.
No. Ever, never is not a homophone.
Ma'am, on and on.
Yes. On, there, there. You can see there are two. You can find from here. Then we are having. Okay, fine. Find adjectives. Can you tell me the adjectives?
Ma'am, desk.
Yes, desktops. You can underline Haim books. Haim books. Desk. Then you have old dirty. Okay, these all are adjectives. Old dirty. Next. Next. Next question. Give possessive adjective. Can you tell me possessive adjective, children? Possessive adjective. Possessive
Can I?
adjective? Yes, beta.
I'm high. Ma'am, they are greens.
Possessive adjective. Dear Haim books. Okay. Dear Haim books. Then their Haim books. Their greens.
Old dirty jeans.
How old dirty jeans? It is not referring. It's not written here. There. Okay. So now
Ma'am,
the last paragraph. What
excuse
happened?
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
In question number 6, you have write there 2 times.
Where?
Ma'am,
So
in question number 6.
you can see here their Haim books, their greens. Possessive adjective. It is belonging to them. That's why I've written. Okay. Possessive word. Their
Okay,
Haim
ma'am.
books, their greens. It is belonging to them. So that's why they are used as a possessive adjective. Okay. Their Haim books, their greens. Clear? Their Haim books, their greens. Now we will move on to the last paragraph. Move on to the last paragraph. I will follow one back home today. I will
Ma'am,
follow.
your question.
Yes. I will follow one back home today. I'll find out what they do. Then I'll put it in a poem that they can read to you. So now the poet is saying that I will go and chase the teacher one day today. And then I'm going to write in a poem what they are doing after reaching home. So we can read that poem. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.